Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Caliber. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. Before we get today's adventure started, we're going to go to City Walk real quick. We're going to start our updates over here at Universal City Walk, officially gone. I don't know what is going to take over. A lot of people are saying it's going to be retail, not like another food restaurant, but we'll see. Came real quick to see if they'll be selling like the championship hats here at City Walk, because it's 3-0. We only need one more game. Wow, they got so many different style of hats now. Might as well make it like a City Walk kind of day real quick. Let's check out Hello Kitty. It's just like bombarded by Hello Kitty as soon as you walk in here. You got this new like Letterman jacket. It's nice. Hoodie. Still got lots of the 50th stuff. I already got Christmas stuff. And some ornaments. How much is the sweater? It is $45. Then we got buttons. Another t-shirt. And then this one too. There's just so much more new stuff than the last time I was here. That's cool that it's like just a revolving merch place. New stuff coming all the time, I guess. There's like a gold collection. Wow. Look at the ears. Oh, do they say 50? Yeah, they do. I see a lot of people buying Dodger hats right now with the World Series logo, but I want the championship. I know they're 3-0, so I gotta wait a little bit, but I'm definitely buying a Dodger hat soon. Today's Tuesday, and they are still doing 50%. I was hoping it would be 75, you know, this is the last week. There's always so much to check out at City Walk, and it's always changing. There's a lot of changes always. But for today's adventure, I want to go check on Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. And most importantly, get on the studio tour. Is Jaws working? I feel like it's been forever since I've gone and the Jaws attraction works. So we're going to find out. Absolute gorgeous, beautiful day out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is it. This is Halloween week, everybody. Happy Halloween. I'm going to miss the arches with the Halloween Horror Night logo. I'm gonna miss you. Over here at the entrance of Universal Studios Hollywood, we got feature presentation that has now opened as Wicked. Let's see what's in here. Got a cool display. I think these are some of the toys that you can buy. We got Glinda's bubble wand and training wand. All right. One thing I'm not sure if like your annual pass holder discount works on this stuff, because it just arrived not that long ago. $125 for the doll set. Defy gravity. With the Wicked. How much is this though? This one, $80. I can't wait to watch the movie and all of this makes sense to me because I'm just clueless. It all looks very cool. Emerald City. Got some cool jewelry right here. We got like a pajama top right here. Some cool t-shirts. We even got a big old chocolate coin with glitter. This one's $12. And taffy tubes. The Debatable Society. Cool zip up right here. Another t-shirt. Some toys. This is a lot more merch than I was thinking. They did a really good job. I've never seen feature presentation just like this, like themed. It's pretty crazy. Wow. Very good theming in here. Got some cool jewelry you could buy. Bewitching's Banyan Forest. Huh. It's a candle. What is this one? Perfectly Pink Yuzu. Here's the back of the zip up that we were looking at earlier. This one's $60. It's this one. Very nice. And here are the dolls. Kind of a closer look at them. I got some cool pins too. Wow. This one's a magnet. We got some Shiz University mugs with a Shiz hat. Also, don't forget, Hollywood and Dine has now transformed into a Wicked theme with so much to choose from. I have yet to hear about anybody trying them. I just had lunch, so I'm not going to try anything today, but I think on my next trip, we'll get one of these and one of the drinks. It has got really windy out of nowhere. If I'm not mistaken, I think it rained over here too. I'm taking a close look at everything. Not big progress to talk about. It seems like a lot of the focus and momentum of the construction is happening in this area. Probably in the show building too. The main entrance. Here there's always a coaster track once I get on the escalator. But there's a lot of stuff over here too. We're gonna go check out the Fast and Furious construction from the escalators. And then after that, we're gonna go on the studio tour. It's been a while since I've been on the studio tour, so really want to do it today. Different angle at all the construction. Wow. Lots of work now happening here. Yeah, there's a ton of people working in that building now. We got a great view now from the escalators. I want to say that this track arrived just recently. I don't remember it extending that far. I'm talking about right there. But wow, the progress is insane. Seems like they're starting to do work too on that structure that arrived recently. And also lots of people working on this wall, whatever that construction is going to be. But overall, this is looking beautiful. It is looking beautiful. Also, to another update to talk about, Jurassic World has gone down for refurbishment just in time, right? It is cold, very cold out here, and now windy today at least. All the water's been drained. Looks like we got some welding and stuff going on right there. I don't expect anything new. I think it's just a normal refurbishment, which is always great for a ride, you know?
They're filming 3 productions. One of them is an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, which means I know what production it is. I just can't share with you what it is. I kind of like my job, so I like to keep it behind and heading deep into the heart of one of the world's largest and busiest working studios, where many of Hollywood's biggest names come to work every single day. And here to tell you a little bit more is our master, Starbucks. That's how you know we are Real City. Now do me a favor, look behind you and wave goodbye to the real world. Bye, real world! And say hello to the world. Frankenstein's lab. Steady, like always. Actually, Ronnie, never mind. Get us out of here. Ronnie! Bye, lady. Bye, lady. Save us, King.
Filming Ted in there, like right now. And then a commercial's being filmed over here at the Metro. So big quiet zone, I guess.
Okay. All right, it's all good, folks. Just remain seated. Don't worry, we get little tremors like this all the time. Never mind. Hold on to your loved ones. This might be the big one. Oh, no. Watch out to your left. The ceiling's caving in. Watch out. What do you mean? What do you mean? Alrighty, folks, thank you so much for your cooperation during that quiet zone. They are filming on the hill up here. We're going to pass by a little later, but right now, since you guys have been awesome, I have a treat for you. Welcome to Amity Island. Now, I know, yes, we did have a shark attack, but look, we caught the shark. We have nothing to worry about. We also have my friend police driver Ron in the oh no, Ron, dude, swim to the boat, Ron, swim to the boat. No, Ron, no. What is it? He's gonna sacrifice himself. No, Ron, you can't. There must be another way. It has to be you, Ron. Not me, not our driver, you. Ron had a lot of guts to be out there, and there they are. All right. It's all good, folks. Just remain seated. Don't worry, our driver Rodney's a professional. He's going to park the tram in the safest place possible behind these extremely flammable gasoline barrels. Now just remain seated, folks. Don't worry, we do have a barrel over there. Wait, what's happening with the bait? Oh. Watch out! It's lit. That pier is on fire. Yo, is that the shark? That's a shark behind the police boat over there. We got you, bud. You think, oh! I was wrong. I was horribly wrong. So much. The Flintstones cars, do those work? They yabba dabba don't. They were put on the back of trailers and pulled by trucks with the lighting and equipment.
And this is the current situation of the front entrance of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. It's hard to see through scaffolding, obviously, but they're really working in the inside big time now. Big time. What an incredible day we've had at Universal Studios Hollywood. And most importantly, Jaws is back. Yes. Can't wait to come back, see what's up with Fast and Furious and how that's progressing. But most importantly, finally try some of the Wicked stuff. Can't wait to try that and see if it's good or not. And hopefully, I should be back for Horror Nights on the last day to live stream the last moments of Halloween Horror Nights 2024. So that'll be like a live stream from like 11 p.m. to 1. I think they closed at 1 on the last day. Whatever time they close, we're going to be live streaming all the way to closing. Which is going to be super sad, but at the same time, what an incredible season it's been for Halloween Horror Nights. Thank you guys for watching Five Fires YouTube. Smash that like button. We're firing it.